Across to these pictures coming in of the Delhi BJP protests here in the national capital, of course, against the Aam Aadmi Party government over the Chief Minister residence. Now, remember, the BJP has been alleging that a lot of public money was used by Arvind Kejriwal when he was a Chief Minister to renovate his official residence. That essentially has been a charge. Remember, earlier, of course, we saw the Lieutenant Governor also taking cognizance of it. Various PWD officials were suspended, remember. But absolutely dramatic visuals there. The BJP leaders on top of those barricades. I can see Viren Sachdeva, the BJP president. Also very interesting to see Kailash Gehlot, the man who stood by Arvind Kejriwal since India Against Corruption days, protesting against Arvind Kejriwal with the BJP guys. Absolutely startling there almost. And sort of the change in the political landscape as far as Delhi is concerned since the liquor policy case came to the surface has been absolutely astonishing. Kailash Gehlot, somebody who was Arvind Kejriwal's number 2, the party's key backroom strategist, the capital's home minister as well, protesting against Arvind Kejriwal right ahead of the Delhi polls. Of course, the Aam Aadmi Party versus the BJP only intensifying. I'm being told Anushka is with us now. Let me go across to Anushka now. Anushka, over to you.
Certainly, Vedant, a lot of action can be seen here at the demonstration point. We'll currently show you the visuals directly. We can see all of the BJP top leaders are currently standing over the barricades that were placed by the police here. We're at the Firoz Shah Road, where the Aam Aadmi Party's chief minister and Aam Aadmi Party national conveners, all of BJP Viren Sachdeva can be seen. Also, Kailash Gehlot can also be seen toppling the first layer of barricading and going on to marching and rallying towards the current residence of the Aam Aadmi Party national convener Arvind Kejriwal. Now, this is happening ahead of the Delhi Assembly, where all the demonstration that has been led right now is all of the BJP workers are asking about where did all the public money go and how can the Aam Aadmi Party chief minister, who had promised people that he will live like a simple man after becoming the chief minister, lead such a luxurious life wherein they are wherein the contents mentioned in the inventory that came out of the PWD, they're asking as to how can a chief minister who promised the people that they'll work for the people is now living a life of experience. And right now also we're showing you the visuals of Aam Aadmi Party clear of barricades. You see all top leaders were in Delhi. BJP President Viren Sachdeva, ex-Delhi Transport Minister Kailash Gehlot can also be seen here in the frame. We can clearly see, a few days ago he rendered his resignation to Delhi Chief Minister Atishi, and clearly, she accepted, the whole resignation. And right now also we can see him joining BJP and leading a protest against the Aam Aadmi Party. Now this can come as a startling shock to Aam Aadmi Party ahead of the Delhi BJP Delhi Assembly, because clearly Kailash Gehlot was somebody who was number 2 to Arvind Kejriwal, and right now he has joined hands with BJP and is leading a protest against the Aam Aadmi Party. Now we can clearly show you the visuals of all the BJP leaders who are being detained by the Delhi police. They are being sent inside the bus, and clearly we can see they are right now also protesting. They are doing raising all those slogans with placards in their hands, and a lot of BJP leaders, BJP Karyakartas and the BJP workers are seen here. The police is trying to detain them right now. We are showing you the visual of how they are holding placards and they are climbing on the bus. क्या कुछ कहेंगे सर प्रोटेस्ट के बारे में?
प्रोटेस्ट के बारे में केजरीवाल देखिए, एक तरफ तो वो ईमानदारी की जो अपनी छवि बना करके जब 10 साल पहले आए थे, ये ना मैं खाऊंगा ना खाने दूंगा, मेन उनका मुद्दा था अन्ना हजारे के ऊपर कि भैया मैं ये लाऊंगा। अगर आज वो लाए रहते जन लोकपाल तो ये सिनेरियो ही नहीं आती। जो दूसरे के ऊपर अगर उंगली उठाते तो कम से कम खुद के ऊपर उनको देखना चाहिए कि जिस जन लोकपाल को लेकर के, जिस भ्रष्टाचार को लेकर के आए थे, अगर आज वो लाए रहते तो खुद के ऊपर उनका ये
क्या कहेंगे आप?
केजरीवाल ने जिस तरह से मान मर्यादा सम्मान सबका नाश कर दिया है, टॉयलेट पे क्या कर दिया, कमोड पे सोने की परत लगा रहे हैं। सोने की परत लगाकर इन्हें शर्म आनी चाहिए। सोना माता बहनों के गले का हार होता है, गले का मंगलसूत्र होता है, और ये व्यक्ति अपनी कमोड पर सोने की परतें लगा रहा है।
We're showing you the visuals of the bus right now, wherein all the BJP workers are being detained. But right now, also they are protesting. They are standing, standing on the bus right now and protesting against the Aam Aadmi Party Aam Aadmi Party, national convener Arvind Kejriwal. Clearly, we are showing the visuals from the protest point, but the police is trying to detain all of the BJP workers that have come here and are holding placards in their hands and are protesting against the Aam Aadmi Party national convener Arvind Kejriwal, asking as to how he could live in such a residence of such extravagance. He was living a luxurious life wherein a lot of issues has been raised. For example, ahead of the Delhi Assembly, pollution has become a major issue for the Aam Aadmi Party. BJP is currently digging on all of that ahead of the Assembly election and is attacking Aam Aadmi Party over several issues. This is the demonstration that was led today in over the extravagance of the Chief Minister House. We are being joined by some more protesters. आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम पंकज लूथरा है, मैं निगम पार्षद हूँ झिलमिल वार्ड से।
सर, ये प्रोटेस्ट हो रहा है यहाँ पर, काफी सारे मुद्दों पर बीजेपी जो है वो आम आदमी पार्टी को घेर रही है, क्या कुछ कहेंगे?
देखिए, भारतीय जनता पार्टी हमेशा पब्लिक के हितों में रही है। ये टॉयलेट चोरी का जो मुद्दा है, ये बहुत बड़ा मुद्दा है। और जो टॉयलेट सीट सोने की इन्होंने अपने घर पे बनाई, वो पोर्ट का पोर्ट गायब कर दिया। जैसे मुलायम सिंह के लड़के ने, अखिलेश यादव ने टूटी चोरी की थी, वैसे इन्होंने टॉयलेट चोरी करी है। तो ये चोर पार्टी शुरू से ही है। इन्होंने साबित कर दिया है कि हम वास्तव में चोर हैं। ये क्या हम पोर्ट तक नहीं छोड़ेंगे? दिल्ली की जनता का खून तो पिएंगे, पोर्ट भी होंगे तो घरों के वो भी चुरा के ले जाएंगे।
Can see that the BJP workers are currently, alleging that the Aam Aadmi Party over several issues. Right now, also we are showing you the visuals wherein we can clearly see that the police is trying to detain, a lot of workers here who are holding placards in their hands and are currently, raising slogans against the Aam Aadmi Party national convener. A lot of crowd can be seen here. The Delhi police is currently struggling with all of them to hold the situation in ground. They have toppled the first layer of barricading that was put in place by the Delhi police. Now they are on to the second layer of barricading where the police have detained several of the top BJP leaders. Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva has also been detained in the bus, and Kailash Gehlot can also be seen inside of the bus wherein a lot of people have been detained also. They have toppled the first layer of barricading, and right now the police is trying to get a hold of this whole demonstration. But the main question that remains here is that ahead of assembly elections, the BJP is trying to gain grounds in Delhi, raising several of the claims against Aam Aadmi Party, raising several issues of Aam Aadmi Party and attacking them as to on several issues for the extravagance of the ex-Chief Minister house that was situated in 5 Flagstaff Road, or the pollution issue that the people living in Delhi are currently facing. So right now we can also see Aam Aadmi Party is in a lot of political heat, is surrounded by a lot of political heat because of all of the claims that the BJP is apparently alleging against the Aam Aadmi Party and asking questions as to what happened to the public money, also the involvement of Delhi ministers in the liquor policy scam and the extravagance of the Chief Minister house wherein ex-Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal used to live. And right now also we are showing you visuals from the ground wherein you can clearly see the BJP workers have toppled the first layer of barricading. They were trying to topple the second layer of barricading, but the Delhi police has gained control over the situation. They have detained several of the top BJP leaders. We are showing you the bus in which the several top leaders have been detained. Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva has been detained. Also, ex-Delhi Transport Minister Kailash Gehlot has also been detained, and the Delhi police is trying to pull people out of the bus who have stood over the bus right now. क्या नाम है आपका?
महेश त्रिपाठी।
क्या कहेंगे सर, आपको डिटेन कर लिया गया है अभी?
केजरीवाल ने जो ये शीश माल बनाया है, शराब घोटाला किया है, इस्तीफा दिया। हम चाहते हैं वो जेल जाए और तिहाड़ में रहे, क्योंकि उन्होंने अपने चक्कर में आतिशी को बनाया है मुख्यमंत्री, जो कि पॉल्यूशन से दिल्ली परेशान है, और इन्होंने अपना आम आदमी बोल के इतना आलीशान घर बनाया, उसमें इतने घोटाले किए। इसके विरोध में सारे कार्यकर्ता ये चाहते हैं कि ये जेल जाए और
do stay on with us.
बिहार में
We'll
बंद
return to you on the top of
इसके लिए
Tihar.
हम
I'm
सारे
afraid we'll have to take a break right now. We'll return to you.